emergency broadcasting.
We're sorry. All circuits are busy now. Will you please try your call again later?
Hello YouTube and preppers, this is the Comms Prepper with the Comms Prepper Helper.
Hi preppers!
And today we're back at the retreat location working on the solar power system. So we're under the deck here by the battery box. And today we're going to add some aftermarket battery vent caps. For those of you who have lead acid batteries for your solar power system or are thinking about using lead acid batteries, part of your maintenance procedure will be checking the water levels. And water level is lost through charging the batteries and the ambient temperatures. When hydrogen is separated from the oxygen gas in the electrolyte solution, you can lose water and also lose a little bit of that electrolyte through the vent cap at the top of the battery. There's a little pinhole there. So where does the water go? Well, it's coming up through this vent cap and escaping out into the atmosphere or the environment around you. Well, the water miser cap, and I'm going to go over here to the bag here. Sorry, I only got two hands here and I'm holding the camera, and I got gloves on so I don't get acid on everything. The water miser cap is specifically designed to have a chamber up above to allow condensation of water and that electrolyte to happen inside the cap and then drip back down into the battery, reducing your water loss by 100%. You'll still lose some water, but it cuts that back by about 100%. And up inside this cap, there's special beads to help facilitate the condensation of the water and the electrolyte. So as the gas is escaping, the cap will help recapture some of that water and that electrolyte, allow it to come down and drip back down into the battery so you don't lose it. And then the bottom of that cap is a rubber gasket, and that's designed to actually help strip off electrolyte and fluid when you're using your hydrometer to check your battery so you don't lose additional water during your normal maintenance routine. The extended height is recommended for solar power applications because of the larger condensation chamber to allow you to catch more fluid and electrolyte and return that back to the battery. So we'll go ahead and pause here and then we'll put these on the batteries and show you how they look. Alright guys, I got a cameraman here to help me out. So here's the 6 caps mounted on top of the batteries. You can see the extended height when compared to the factory caps. And I think this has a good application for solar power systems, especially at an off-site location where you can't get to those locations to do maintenance all the time. Having these caps helps you reduce your water loss, and it can allow you to have increased durations between maintenance periods, especially when you just can't get there. I try to get out here at least once a month or twice a month, but things may come up I can't get out here for a month or maybe more. At least here I'm minimizing my fluid loss in my batteries, and more importantly the electrolyte. The caps go on firmly. The actual cap on the top rotates separate from the bottom part of the cap, so you can position the flip top any way you want. You get a nice positive feedback when the cap locks. A nice good click so you know it's good seal on it. And again, they connect real easy. Just like your factory default caps, you can get them on there with your bayonet connection and then rotate the top of the cap to place the flip top in the position you want so you can look down in your battery, check your water levels, use your hydrometer, check your charge, and of course add water as needed. But again, you shouldn't have to add a whole lot of water now because these caps will help you reduce your water loss. And as always, thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. This has been the Comms Prepper with the Water Miser Battery Vent Cap System from Flow Systems USA. I'd like to thank them for sending that out again and giving me the opportunity to review these and actually incorporate them into my system and to show them to you guys. Bye guys.